This video is about how to plant seeds in a wicker basket, and then you can just set these wicker baskets in your flower bed. And you could also, if you wanted to, replant the flowers that grow up in this wicker basket, or it'd be nice if they would reseed themselves into your flower bed. And I'm just sprinkling bone meal on the top to keep the squirrels from digging in there. So just lightly cover the seeds, just so you can't see them, and then sprinkle some bone meal on the top, and then keep them well watered, just like the rest of the plants in your garden. Don't let the seeds dry out, and then hopefully you get some more seed flowers in your garden. So thanks a lot for watching, and I will talk to you next time. Goodbye.